This video is all about transparent backgrounds. A transparent background means there's nothing behind your image. No color, no pattern, just empty space. If you place it on a new background, only the cutout image appears, and whatever is behind it will show through seamlessly. A white and gray checkerboard background pattern you see on an image is a visual indicator that the image has no background. To start, make sure you have a photo or image placed in your Canva workspace. Click to highlight it, then go to the Edit button in the toolbar. This opens the image panel where you'll find Magic Studio, home to the Background Remover tool. You can access Background Remover here, or, for a quicker option, you'll also find it right next to the Edit button in the toolbar. Either option works the same. Go ahead and click Background Remover, and watch as Canva quickly removes the background from your image. If you need to restore part of the background, you can. With your image still highlighted, go back to Background Remover in Magic Studio. This time you'll see a small icon with lines in the center called Configure. Click on it and you'll see two options, Erase and Restore, along with a brush size slider. Select Restore and use the brush to bring back any part of the background you need. Remember how I mentioned the white and gray checkerboard pattern? You'll see that now, indicating the background is completely transparent. Once your image looks just the way you want, it's time to save it. Click Share in the top right corner. Then, click Download and choose PNG as the file type. Make sure to check the transparent background box, then hit the Download button. By default, your file will save to your Downloads folder on your computer. But here's a handy tip. Canva lets you quickly move your downloaded file directly into your Uploads folder for easy access later. To do this, look for the down arrow in the top right corner of Canva. Click it to open a list of all the files you've downloaded in this session. Simply click on the file you want and drag it into your Uploads folder, but make sure the folder is open first. If the folder isn't open, the drag and drop feature won't work. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how transparent backgrounds work. If you found this helpful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.